Just came from the reception. Just received the X52. Exciting moment, because what is inside the box? We have HDMI cable, 2 meters, network cable, around 4.5 meters, power supply, yes, 12 volt, 5 ampere power supply, Euro cable, yes, so depending on your region of course. 52 has a clamp on top of the screen. On this, as you can see, it's very flexible, and this side will screw that screws. Yes, coming along in the box, X52. Very exciting moment. 52. Brand new Studio X. Here you go. Privacy cover which you can take off. You do that. And so as I said, it's between the X50 and the X70 for your mid-size room. It hosts a 20 megapixel camera, 4K lens, which goes into a room up to like 6.1 meters. And looking at the data sheet, it hosts stereo speakers very nicely, and it has multiple microphones. So it's a sort of micro banner which you have here also at the front plate. Of course, what is in the back? So we have a USB-C cable. This is for the device mode if you want to use it as a BYOD device. We got HDMI ingest, and this is for your HDMI cable at the table. We got screen 1 and screen 2. Of course, if you use it with Teams, you got to make sure you got the Pro license. On the other side, we have expansion mic. So if you have an acoustic challenging room, you can put the expansion mic at the table. We have USB-A. This is in case you have a touchscreen or you want to attach your mouse to it. We have a LAN, so this is for your network, and we got power. And there is, as you can see on the right, a Kensington Lock. So if you want to lock it in the room, you're able to do that and attach the clamp to it. You can see you use the 2 screws here on the back, and this will come this way, the X52 on top of the screen. Looking at certification, Team certification, Zoom certification, and all the video providers you know from the X series, these are all supported also the X50, like group tracking, speaker tracking, people framing, and so able to pick out the participants in the room. One thing which I wanted to mention, the black edition of TC10 will come along with the X52. Keep that further, I think it's an excellent device for your mid-sized meeting room. This was just a quick unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'm already looking forward to next videos where I show you some things on the technical side and set it up.